Alright, here we go, the morning of the cook. Yesterday we took these birds out of the bags and took all the stuff out of them. We twined them up as best as we could, seasoned them down with the simple rub from the store. This morning we are getting them out, stuffed them with some thyme and rosemary, and now we just sprinkled them with a little more seasoning on top. They're getting ready to go in the smoker. Alright, the weapon of choice today is this 500-gallon Harper, cell phone issues. There we go. Harper Pitworks 500-gallon offset smoker. We could do 15 per run, 2 runs. Okay, here we go. First round, 15 birds. Smoke it like it's hot. Here we go, about an hour and a half, 2 hours in. Looking good in the neighborhood. Alright, here we go, about third hour. We are looking really good. We're going to do some temp checks really quick. You see that? We're just going to check a few of these. 15. $130, $120, $120. So we're looking pretty good. These are the breasts here. $114, $110. So some of them inside the thigh were about $120. The breasts were about $130. Sorry, $125. So we're pretty close. Anyhow, we are looking good in the neighborhood. Just gonna do a couple of these. Like this thigh right here, we're already 134. $145, $147. So we're gonna have some obviously done sooner than others. That's just the nature of the game. Everything's looking really good. Peace. Okay, here we go. This is hour 2.5 on the second batch. And man, these guys are looking beautiful. Nice brownish color. We've been spraying them with a butter. Man, they're looking good. Today has been a great cook, learning a lot about this style of cooking. So alright, so coming to you guys at the end of a pretty long day. Hats off to guys who run offset cookers day and night. They're the true heroes of barbecue. We had a good day, got a lot of compliments, and it was a very successful cook. Thanks for watching the video. I know there wasn't a whole bunch of live action shots, but it was a lot of busyness throughout the day. Anyways, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Dino Dan Smoking.